In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get back to Home Dashboard in Lovable AI. Let's start right from the beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your favorite web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable and press Enter. From the search results, click the official Lovable website. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Go ahead and sign in with your usual method. If your workspace uses single sign-on, just follow the on-screen prompts until you're in. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Lovable environment. Open the project you want to work on by selecting it from your list. This brings you into the project view where you'll spend most of your time building and editing. Now, here's the key part of today's tutorial: how to get back to the Home Dashboard from this project view. Look to the very top left corner of the screen, where the Lovable icon is displayed. Don't click yet. Simply move your mouse over the icon and hover. As you hover, you'll notice the icon transforms into 3 small horizontal lines. This is the main menu trigger, often called the hamburger menu. When you see those 3 lines, click them. A navigation panel will appear. In that panel, click Home. That's it. You'll be taken straight back to the Home Dashboard, where you can see your projects, create new ones, or adjust workspace settings. This is the fastest, most reliable way to leave a project and return to your main starting point in Lovable. If the icon doesn't change when you hover, try moving your cursor a little more precisely over the top left area, or make sure your browser isn't zoomed in so far that the header is hidden. Scrolling to the very top of the page can also help if you've been working deep within a long view. On touch devices or touchpads, a brief pause while your finger or cursor rests over the icon can mimic a hover. A quick recap to lock it in: open your browser and go to Google, search for Lovable, click the official site, and log in. Open your project. When you're ready to return, hover over the Lovable icon at the top left until it becomes 3 lines, click it, then choose Home. Follow those steps and you'll always find your way back to the Home Dashboard without losing your place. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Lovable AI.